Oggi parliamo di impasto napoletano, che poi in realtà non è granché differente da tutti gli altri impasti.
The first step to making pizza napoletana is to dissolve 1 gram of yeast in 1 liter of water. We then add 500 grams of all-purpose flour and begin mixing, avoiding lumps. It is important to only add the salt after the flour, so that it does not come directly into contact with the yeast. Then we add 500 grams of semi-whole wheat flour that is rich in protein and gives the pizza flavors and aromas. Finally, after adding the remaining 500 grams of all-purpose flour, it is time to start kneading the dough. This is where you want to use your fists to increase the elasticity of the final product. When the flour stops sticking to your knuckles, it means that the dough is ready to rest for 30 minutes. After that, you want to repeat the kneading before letting the dough rise for 8 hours. Now let's make a pizza Margherita, a classic Italian pizza that was created in the late 1800s. It was named after Margherita di Savoia, the Queen of Italy at that time. Vuolo and his son can prepare a complete pizza Margherita in only 9 seconds. To make it, you'll need 2 spoonfuls of tomato sauce, some Parmigiano cheese, fresh basil, and fresh mozzarella. Yes, in that order. To better organize their pizzeria, Vuolo and his son came up with a set of rules that they call the 5 Commandments, and that favor precision and efficiency. There are only 2 people in charge of making the pizzas, one to roll out the dough and assemble the pizza, and one to manage the oven. In a professional pizza oven, pizza takes less than 3 minutes to cook, resulting in a crunchy and delicious balance of all these ingredients. Next, we'll make a pizza marinara. This is probably the easiest pizza on the planet to make, but it brings out all the best qualities that a pizza has to offer. Instead of smearing the usual 2 spoonfuls of tomato sauce, we'll add an extra spoonful. Normally, there's no basil on this pie, but if you decide to add some, make sure to hide it under some strategically placed cloves of garlic so that their flavors can mingle. This is how they work, and they try not to let their clients' expectations get in their heads, because they're 100% sure that what they're making is not just a pizza, it's the pizza. A perfect example of a wine pairing that brings out the flavors of marinara pizza is Greco di Tufo. This wine and the pizza have 2 things in common. They both originate in the Campania region, and their aromas are well defined but delicate, meaning they complement and support each other's best features.